Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the Shopify error being error code 400 or 400 cookie is too big. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the thing that not a lot of people know is that this error is usually caused by an indirect integration with a third-party app. And those third-party apps being Pinterest and Judge Me. And the reason for that is because their design indirectly affects the coding of Shopify's native language, which is Liquid. So because all of these are tied, and when you go to install the apps like Pinterest or Judge Me, which is a testimonial app, which I'll show you right now. So if you go to the Shopify App Store, click on this, click on Apps and Sales Channel. These actually, within their system, produce really large file headers that actually affect your store's header as well. So if I type down Pinterest, for example, I believe it was Pinterest. Okay, so it's this one right here, but I don't have this installed, so that's all good. Or Judge Me. This one is a kind of like a customer testimonial application, but it also comes with its own fair share of problems, like affecting the header or banner for your store. Hence the shop error 400, cookie too big. So to fix it is quite simple. All you guys have to do is head to the app section of your Shopify store, like so. Click on apps, click on apps and sales channel again. And then you'd want to navigate to the app that's causing the problem or the culprit and simply uninstall it. Now, you'd think that you would use these features, but what I'm asking for here is not really a full uninstall, as all we're going to do is reinstall the application. So this will actually refresh the cache files for it and effectively fix the problem. So let's say that I had Judge Me or Pinterest installed, which were the indirect causes of the problem. You would simply uninstall and reinstall them. So yeah, that's it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.